Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect your Steam and Xbox accounts. So first, go ahead and click on the search bar at the bottom right, then search for Xbox application and launch it. Make sure that you're logged into the specific account where you want to connect your Steam account. Once the app launches, click on your name in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Accounts. Then go to the section of Linked Accounts. You can see various different options right here, like Steam, Twitch, Discord, Reddit, and EA. Click on Link option that is beside the Steam. Go ahead and select it. You'll be taken to a new tab in your web browser. If you're already logged in, you'll see the sign in button below your Steam account. Go ahead and select it, then select Open Xbox and you'll be done. You can see that I have successfully linked my Steam account with my Xbox account. And in the case if you want to go ahead and unlink it, click on Unlink button right here and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.